Oh. Anyone who says packing and moving is fun lies. This is not fun. Okay, so moving on to the shoes now. I have a box here, and I guess I'm just gonna go through them and store what's in here as well. I need to figure out what I want to keep out as well. I don't think I'm going anywhere that requires heels, so possibly gonna leave those out. But let's start. These cute boots. These are cute. Just to go in. How do you travel? How do you pack the shoes? Like, unless they're designer. Same in beige. Unless they're designer, how do you pack shoes? Because I don't keep all my boxes. Cute pair of wedges. Keeping these. These are cute as well. Get all up your leg. Make you look like a piece of beef in a net. Put these in. And okay, so I can either leave out for a pair of flats these beige ones or the black ones. The beige or a slingback, these have a heel. I think maybe I'll leave the beige ones out and pack these ones. These are cute though, look at these, cute. Pack them. Now sliders, what is on these? What is that? These are my Louis Vuitton silver sliders. I also have a Gucci pair, which is out there. The Gucci pair is what I normally wear to work. Sometimes these, but the soles are so hard on these that it puts me off wearing them. Whereas my Gucci's are really comfortable. So, put them there for a sec. So, I don't know where all my shoe boxes are. So what I'm going to have to do is this to protect them. So they don't get scratched, although it's not like I'm really taking care of them. These Guess ones, cute sliders. These underneath, inside here, is so fluffy, it's nice. But then this plastic bit at the top, it cuts into you. Major design flaw. Major design flaw. Maybe I should have packed this a little bit better. And oh, look at these. My LV Supreme Converse. These are sick. Part of me feels like maybe I want to keep these out. I'm going to use my Asia Thorn bag. Come on, Asia Thorn. If you don't know who Asia Thorn is, she is a drag queen. Check her out. I will link her below. I'm going to put them in there just because I don't want them to get damaged. And then I've got the silver to copper blend Converse, the gold to pink Converse. Love these. Love these. I'll put these in here. And this box is getting pretty full already. These pink ones. Love these. I'm going to leave these out. So I have a pair of like trainers if I need trainers. So that's probably the 3 pairs. My Gucci slides, the beige leather shoes from Next, and those Converse. That's probably all I'm gonna put in there. These kind of like, these were a fail. Like I bought these, they wrap around your leg, but they never look cute, ever. Got some Havanas. These are cute brown Havanas. These shoes, which they've kind of seen better days. Whether I don't know. Maybe I could take the sparkles off. And just keep it like that. Maybe, I don't know. We'll have a look. I don't want to get rid of them. Ooh, this box is full. So this box is probably full now. Fenty slide as well. These are so comfortable. I used to wear these to work as well. Until they said no pink shoes. I was like, what? I beg your pardon. So I need to seal these with the tape. Here we go. Stickers. Right. Okay. So the Fenty sliders going in. Now let's try and pack this one a bit better than the other one. So Fenty sliders. These flats. I'm like, eh. Right. Oh. Over there. Too far away. So let's go in with heels next. Strappy heels. I have them in the black. Nice. And I have them, that's the black. Stupid. And I have them in the gold. These are stunning. Stunning. Also have these. I used to have these in beige and like a nudie beige, and these were amazing. If anybody knows of any kind of shoes like this with a little ankle strap that is in beige, let me know, because I love them. They were like my favourite heel. And then next we have these are from Next. I don't think I've only worn these once, I think. They're like little fluffy. And I just feel like I don't know where I'd wear them. So don't ask me why I have a holographic pink pair and a nude pair. Don't ask me why. I don't even know where I'm wearing these two. These two are only from Primark, so technically it's not like I spent crazy amount of money. But where am I wearing these? Tell me. Where am I wearing these? And then I'm sure you've all seen these before. Love these. Ombre glitter from Shoe. Love them. And then what's these? Oh yeah, these are like little, I've worn these a lot. Glitter, like, they're not glitter, it's like rhinestone. These are from Monsoon. These are cute. Like. It's getting full again. And then these are the first pair of, I think these are from River Island, so they're not even that expensive. But these were the first pair of heels that I bought that were more than £50. So that's like quite expensive, really. Well, I guess it's not, but it is really. Back then, 60 quid for a pair of shoes. I was like, oh. And I bought these for a job interview, believe it or not, to work on the Christian Dior counter, selling makeup. So story time with them. Chucking it all in. Yeah, these bags, they go in another box. These from Faith, cute. Why I have these? With nudie pink, soft. And then I have these with a chunk heel. So I also got like my trainers. Do you know what? I'm not working at the minute, but if I'm going back to work, then I will end up going back to the gym. But I I don't know when that will be. Black stiletto court shoe. These like Valentino dupes. Yeah. Over the knee boots. Grab the other one. Oh, what's that? Over the knee boots. Ankle boots in suede. Cute. What's the other shoe for that? These kind of like strappy, steady shoes. Boots. Look like I'm going riding, but I love them. More glittery Converse. There's the other glittery one. Where is the other? There it is. It's the other boot. More Converse, pink ones. Girl, I really went through a Converse stage at one point. These sandals, which I'm going to keep out. These kind of like gladiator box heels, super cute. And then I have these as well. These are vintage Louis Vuitton mules. I don't need these as technically I've packed the bag that matches, and I don't have the Louis Vuitton box for them. So I'm just going to put them in here instead. This is not a Louis Vuitton box, but I'm going to put them in there instead. And I went around the house as well and to find all my shoes that have been scattered around. So this is now all of my shoes packed, apart from the ones that I'm keeping out, which I will show you in a sec. So I'm going to keep these Skechers in case I go to the gym. So the Skechers I'm going to keep out just in case I go to the gym. I'm keeping my Gucci sliders, the Bloom sliders. I don't know what the word is. They came out with the Dionysus bag. And I wear these for work. So when I end up returning back to work, I need these out. I also kept these out. These are some nude flats. I was thinking that I would keep these out because if I want some shoes that are more sophisticated, that are casual still, this is the shoe I will go for. And then these pink Converse, because you always need like a pair of Converse. These I only really wear to the gym because I sweat in them, so it's a bit gross. These are more just for runners, run around. And then I've also decided to keep out, these are my Hermes dupes for the Oran sandals in the tan and the black. I kept these out just because I love them and it's summer and it's relevant. So these are basically what I am leaving out, is these ones here. So yeah, coolios. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.